Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the exact hardware and software so you don't stall later. Connect the ESP32 or ESP8266 to your Arduino, or use the ESP32 alone. This gives native Wi-Fi and lowers latency. Flash the Arduino IDE and install Wi-Fi, MQTT, and the speech client library so code compiles. Once done, wire a simple LED and relay to D2 and D5 to test I/O. Make sure ground is common and power supplies are adequate to avoid brownouts. You now implement the voice and network stack so commands flow reliably. Configure Wi-Fi credentials and subscribe to an MQTT topic for command control. This decouples voice recognition from device actuation. Capture audio locally or send short samples to an SDT endpoint. Parse intents into actions like turn light on. Once parsed, translate intents to GPO toggles with debounce and safety checks. Include timeouts and confirmation messages so you avoid unintended activations. Test using simple phrases first. You finish by hardening the system and validating behavior under realistic conditions. Flash final firmware, enable OTA updates, and provide user feedback via LEDs or MQTT state reports so you always know device status. Run scenario tests, voice in noisy conditions, multiple commands and power cycles, and tune thresholds. If something goes wrong, check serial logs for errors, confirm common ground between modules, and measure Wi-Fi RSSI. Weak signal or missing ground are the most common root causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.